passage from the Bible. The command for Christians is to preach the gospel. He's a fair God, he's a just God, and he's a holy God.
But now he commandeth everyone to repent.
You deserve eternal punishment in hell. You don't want to live right as it stands right now.
Yeah, you may walk away, but you can never walk away from God. God will work through your conscience at night, and He'll want you to repent. He'll want you to turn, but you will be too prideful, and you will die in your pride, and you will split hell wide open.
You better quit messing around. God ain't messing around.